Hello everyone, back again with another video. I'm on my new camera. I got a Olympus point and shoot. It's a tough camera, so testing it out for the first time. I've taken some pictures with it and stuff, but over here working on the bus. Finally got the logos off of the door here. Still a little bit ghosted, but that's alright. We've got the Jeep here, been driving it to work. But tonight I am doing the rear U-joint in the bus. It is very squeaky, very tight. The front seems to be in good shape. It's not loose or squeaky or anything, so I got a new ball joint tool that I'm going to go through and knock these U-joints out with. I don't want to do the hammer method because this is aluminum drive shaft. I don't want to damage it in a vise. It's also very large. Doesn't fit my vise. So, here we go. So this side was still a little greased, but not a lot. It's mainly these that are causing the squeak. So I'll get this flipped around. Oh, yeah. So as you can see, let's see if I can get this to focus. Probably not. But the bearings, needle bearings, are all worn down. And you can see there's a groove on the U-joint itself. That was very bad. I'm gonna take a little wire wheel and clean the inside of this out, and then put the new one in. Alright, so I got these all cleaned out. I had a heck of a time. Yeah, that'll focus. It's pretty galled up, but it does hold a clip fine, so we'll be alright there. I had to take a little pick, clean out all of it. Got a little bit more to do, but gonna go back in with the U-joint. And we're back. About an hour later. I bought the wrong U-joint. There's like 10 different options for these cutaway vans. But I got the right one in, the Moog 295 1410 U-joint. So I'm going to get it slapped back in here and call it a night. Peace. So here's a walk around of the interior of the camper. I know it's dark, but got my water tank mounted, drain in the floor, the fill, and then it's going to be the water pump outlet. I'm going to mount the fill somewhere around there, and then the water pump's going to go over in that area. Lines will run on the opposite end of that corner and into the sink area. And I got some tools here. Double jointed that just for extra support. And then I've got a nice little workbench here, slash cook table that we're going to be using. I'll explain more on that later. So this is just some nylon coated steel cable. It came with our chicken coop roof, but that got destroyed with a windstorm, so I repurposed the cable for that. I got two 3-inch hinges and then 2 magnets, and it just goes up right out of the way. And I'm going to walk inside here. So I've got most of the flooring done. I'm still going to be doing the steps. And I left this spot open for the seats that I'm going to be using. I'm going to reuse these mounts and then these. And then I'll cover up whatever I don't use. Shower's going to go here. Kitchen, and then I'm going to be adding another 18-inch 3-drawer. We're going to put our fridge on top. And then we were going to do sink and stove, but I think I'm just going to do sink, and then use the rest of the countertop space. Use our camp stove. Just makes it a little bit easier. I don't have to set up propane under the bus. Don't have to worry about that. So then here's the bed platform. I hinged this part just so I can access everything that's going to be under here. The power converter is going to go right here, and then the water pump will be there. All the battery stuff will be under here. I can access that side pretty well from the outside, but I don't know. I might end up putting a magnet on this. I don't know. I think it's going to be fine once the bed's on it. I don't think it's going to flop up and down, but we'll see. So yeah, there's the progress update. I've been doing a ton of maintenance on the engine and bus itself. As you can see in the first part of this video, I did drive shaft U-joint. So the kitchen is securely mounted. I added a piece of plywood and then attached it to the frame mounted support that the seats were on. I had to cut a majority of it out, but I think it'll be okay. It's also on magnets. I did that earlier today. So yeah, I'm gonna clean up. I'm gonna throw the bed in here, see how it fits. Call it a night. See you again.